uh, its original variable, which is in terms of x. Okay, so how can we transform from theta to x? So we will need our information last time. We're in this one. So from our information last time, x is equal to 5 tangent theta. X, from our information last time, x is equal to 5 tangent theta. And we need to find the value of our theta. Or no, there's no theta here, so we need to think of something. So let's find tangent theta. So tangent theta is equal to x all over 5. So we have tangent is equal to 8x over 5. Then we're in we can defix this as using our right triangle. Okay, so if we have here the theta from the SOHCAHTOA, our tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, where in our opposite here is x, and our adjacent here is 5. We have 5. Therefore, the hypotenuse is just equal to square root of the square of both sides. Yan. And then from here, we can also derive the sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse, which is equal to, our opposite is x all over hypotenuse is square root of x squared plus 25. Then our cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, wherein our adjacent is 5, and our hypotenuse is once again the square root of x squared plus 25. Wherein what we need is in terms of cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So need the cotangent theta, wherein you need to uplift this values here. So we have a all over o, or 5 over x. As well as for our sine, so 1 over sine is the cosecant. So we need to flip this. We need h all over o, which is equal to the square root of x squared plus 25 all over x, right? Yan. Then finally, for our secant, need from which is equal to 1 over cosine. So we have secant, we need to lift this h all over a, which is equal to square root of x squared plus 25 all over 5. So this is the value of our secant theta. Okay, so by having this information, we can now we can now transform our trigonometric values in terms of our informations. Okay, so from here let me erase na lang this one. So from here, you can now say that it is equal to 5. Then our second theta is square root of x squared plus 25 all over 5. So our square root is 5 square root of 25. Wait lang. Square root of x squared plus 25. Square root of x squared plus 25 all over 5. Then plus ln of our cosecant is square root of x squared plus 25 all over x minus cotangent is 5 over x. Then plus c. Right? We have ln square root of x squared plus 25 all over x minus 5 over x. Then for second, we have square root of x squared plus 25 all over 5. Okay, so this is now our final answer. And if you still want to simplify this, let me erase this. If you still want to simplify this, you can now multiply the 5. So we have square root of x squared plus 25. 5 divided 5 is just 1 plus ln of square root of x squared plus 25 minus 5 all over x. And then our plus c. And do not forget that is also multiplied by 5. Okay, so we have square root of x squared plus 25 plus 5 ln of quantity square root of x squared plus 25 minus 5 all over x, then quantity plus c.